09 James here. I finished welding up. The last video I had kind of seized up on me and quit recording. But this is how it looks. It's gonna weld it inside. Welded the inside with fluxcore, just to give it a better hold on it. I ran out of my Lincoln wire, my Jobsmart, and I put the Hobart wire in there. 030 wire, a little 1 pound spool, and that wasn't really cutting it, so I really don't like the Hobart wire, so I just used my Lincoln FC90 on it, and that gave me some better welds also. So yeah, this is how tall it is. It's 25 inches by 9.5, between 9.5 and 3/4, 5/8. But yeah, it's gonna be where this pipe's gonna be sitting in there like that. So it'll give you enough room to heat up. So that's my little update, what I did. I just finished it all out with 7018. That's why I didn't get any footage of that. I was welding the corners from here to running the beads on this one here. This one, my camera on my phone went out, so I haven't got a camera to video record my videos here. So plan to get some new wire today. Hopefully another 10-pound spool of Lincoln. That's the only one I use exclusively, is Lincoln wire. Alright, thank you. You guys have a good day. Bye.